Imagine this. You wake up without an alarm clock. No boss is breathing down your neck. You have the freedom to do what you want, when you want. That's the power of financial independence. It's not just about being rich. It's about having choices. Financial independence means security. It means knowing you can handle whatever life throws your way. Unexpected bills, job loss, or even early retirement. You're not living paycheck to paycheck, constantly stressed about money. Instead, you have peace of mind knowing you're prepared. Are you ready to embark on this empowering journey with me?
The first step towards financial freedom is simple: understanding where you stand. Take a deep breath and face your finances head on. Look at your income and all your expenses. Don't be afraid of the numbers. This is about taking control, and knowledge is power. Write down everything you earn each month, then track your spending. Every dollar that goes out should be accounted for. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. Whatever works best for you. Identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. This awareness will lay the foundation for your journey to financial independence.
Don't wait for the perfect time to start, because it will never come. The best time to start your journey towards financial independence is right now. Yes, right this second. Every day you delay is another day you're letting your money control you. This journey is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way, but the key is to stay focused on your goals and keep moving forward, one step at a time. Start with small, manageable steps. Set realistic goals that you can achieve. This is your journey, and you have the power to create the financially secure future you deserve.
Taking the first step towards financial independence can feel like starting a challenging hike. You wouldn't embark on a journey without a map and compass, would you? Understanding your finances is like mapping your route. Start by gathering all your financial statements. This includes your pay stubs, bank statements, credit card bills, and any other documents that show your income and expenses. Once you have all the information laid out, you can start to make sense of it. Where is your money going each month? Are there any unnecessary expenses that you can cut back on? Are you spending more than you earn? Remember, this is not about judgment. It's about gaining clarity and taking control. These are all opportunities to redirect your money towards your financial goals. Now that you have a clear picture of your financial landscape, it's time to create a roadmap for your journey. That's where budgeting comes in. Think of your budget as your financial GPS, guiding you towards your destination of financial independence. Start by listing all your sources of income. Then, list all your expenses, categorizing them as essential and non-essential. Essential expenses are those you absolutely need, like housing, food, and utilities. Non-essential expenses are those you can live without, like entertainment, dining out, or luxury items. The 50-30-20 rule is a great starting point. It suggests allocating 50% of your income to essential expenses, 30% to non-essential expenses, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Remember, a budget is not meant to restrict you. It's meant to empower you to make conscious choices about your money.
You don't need to make drastic changes overnight to see a difference in your finances. Start with small, manageable adjustments that you can easily incorporate into your daily life. For example, instead of buying your daily coffee, consider making it at home. Packing your lunch a few times a week instead of eating out can also save you a significant amount of money over time. Look for cheaper alternatives for your everyday expenses, like switching to generic brands or taking advantage of discounts and coupons. Another effective way to cut back on spending is to be mindful of your impulse purchases. Before you buy something, ask yourself if you really need it or if it aligns with your financial goals. By making small changes and being more mindful of your spending habits, you can create a ripple effect that will lead to significant financial progress over time.
Saving money. It's a phrase we hear all the time, but it can feel daunting, even impossible, especially when you're just starting out and every dollar feels accounted for. But let me tell you, saving is not about deprivation, it's about empowerment. Think of saving like planting a seed. It might seem small and insignificant at first, but with time, care, and consistency, it can grow into a mighty tree. Every dollar you save is a seed you plant for your future. Imagine having an emergency fund, a financial cushion to handle unexpected events. These events can be stressful enough without the added worry of how to financially cope. Remember, you're not just saving money, you're saving for the life you want to live.
Making saving a habit. Now, how do we turn this abstract idea of saving into a concrete reality? It's simpler than you might think, by making it a habit. Just like brushing your teeth or exercising regularly, saving needs to become a non-negotiable part of your routine. Start by setting a realistic savings goal. Even saving a small amount consistently is better than not saving at all. Automate your savings. This is one of the most effective ways to make saving effortless. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month. Treat this transfer like any other essential expense, like paying your rent or utilities. Turn saving into a game and watch your savings balance grow while having fun in the process. Turning savings into security. Saving is an act of self-care, a way to protect and nurture your future self. It's about taking control of your finances and building a solid foundation for a life of financial freedom. One way to amplify the power of saving is by exploring different types of savings accounts. Traditional savings accounts offer a safe place to store your money, but the interest rates are often low. Consider high-yield savings accounts, money market accounts, or even certificates of deposit, CDs, for potentially higher returns. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. This fund will provide a financial buffer, allowing you to navigate unexpected events without derailing your financial progress. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding the different savings options available to you can make a significant difference in your financial journey.
Unlocking investment opportunities. Saving is crucial. It's the foundation of your financial house. But to truly build wealth, to watch your money make more money, you need to explore the world of investing. Investing might seem intimidating at first, something only for the wealthy or experts. Let me tell you, that's a myth. Investing is for everyone. It's about putting your money to work for you, allowing it to grow over time through the power of compounding. Think of it like this. You're not just saving money, you're giving your money a job, and its job is to earn you even more money. There are risks involved, just like with any job. But the key is to educate yourself, make informed decisions, and diversify your investments. Stay focused on your goals, be patient, and let the power of compounding work its magic.
Navigating the world of investments. The world of investing can feel like a vast and complex jungle, but it doesn't have to be intimidating. Start by understanding the basic types of investments available to you. Stocks represent ownership in a publicly traded company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of that company. Bonds are like loans you give to a company or government. They offer fixed interest payments over a set period, making them generally less risky than stocks. Real estate involves buying, owning, and selling properties. Diversifying your portfolio by investing in a mix of these asset classes can help you manage risk and potentially maximize returns over time. Building your financial fortress. Investing is not a one-size-fits-all proposition. The best approach for you depends on your individual circumstances, financial goals, and risk tolerance. If you're just starting your investment journey, consider low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. These funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds, offering a simple and effective way to gain exposure to the market. As you become more comfortable and knowledgeable, you can explore other investment options, such as individual stocks, bonds, or even real estate. Regularly review your portfolio, make adjustments as needed, and stay informed about market trends. Building a solid financial fortress takes time, effort, and discipline, but the rewards of financial freedom are well worth the journey.
Debt, the silent wealth stealer. We've talked about saving and investing, the cornerstones of building wealth. But there's a silent wealth stealer lurking in the shadows that can sabotage even the most diligent financial plans. Debt. Debt can feel like a heavy weight, holding you back from achieving your financial dreams. Credit card debt, student loans, car loans, they all come with interest rates, those pesky charges that eat away at your hard-earned money. It's like a leak in your financial ship, slowly draining your resources without you even realizing it. Imagine this: you're working hard, saving diligently, but a significant portion of your income goes towards paying off debt interest instead of growing your wealth. It starts with acknowledging the problem, taking control of your finances, and developing a strategic plan to eliminate debt and reclaim your financial freedom.
Section 2. Strategies for debt management. Facing your debt head-on can be daunting, but remember, you're not alone in this journey. Millions have tackled their debt and achieved financial freedom. Approach it strategically and develop a plan that works for you. Create a list of all your debts, including balances and interest rates. This helps you prioritize your repayment strategy. Consider the snowball method for quick wins, or the avalanche method to save on interest. Consistency is key. Allocate a portion of your income monthly. Section 3. Staying ahead of the debt game. Eliminating existing debt is crucial, but equally important is avoiding new debt from accumulating. It's like patching the leak in your financial ship while also ensuring no new ones spring up. One of the most effective ways to prevent debt is to live within your means. This means spending less than you earn and resisting the temptation to overspend, especially on credit cards. Create a realistic budget and stick to it. Track your expenses diligently and identify areas where you can cut back. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Consider adopting a cash-only approach for discretionary spending, like dining out or entertainment. This can help you become more mindful of your spending habits and avoid overspending. If you do need to use credit cards, use them responsibly. Pay your balances in full and on time each month to avoid accruing interest charges. Remember, credit cards can be valuable financial tools when used wisely, but can quickly lead to debt if not managed carefully.
Section 1. Real people, real victories. You might be thinking, this all sounds good, Suze, but can real people actually achieve financial independence? Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah was a single mom, working as a teacher and struggling to make ends meet. She felt trapped in a cycle of debt and paycheck-to-paycheck living. Sarah decided she deserved better for herself and her daughter. She started small, cutting back on unnecessary expenses and diligently tracking her spending. She even picked up a side hustle, tutoring students online to boost her income. Slowly but surely, Sarah started to gain control of her finances. She paid off her credit card debt, built a modest emergency fund, and even started investing small amounts regularly. It wasn't always easy, but Sarah's determination never wavered. Fast forward a few years, and Sarah is now debt-free, owns her own home, and has a growing investment portfolio. She's no longer living paycheck to paycheck and has even started saving for her daughter's college education. Sarah's story is a powerful reminder that financial independence is achievable for anyone willing to put in the effort.
Sarah's story is just one of many. Every day, people from all walks of life overcome their financial challenges and achieve their dreams. And you can too. Your success story starts right now, with the decision to take control of your financial future. Remember, financial independence is not a destination, it's a journey. There will be bumps in the road, setbacks, and moments of doubt, but don't let those challenges deter you. Embrace the journey, celebrate your progress, and never stop learning and growing. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek guidance from financial mentors, read books, listen to podcasts. Immerse yourself in the world of personal finance. The more you learn, the more empowered you'll become to make smart financial decisions. Most importantly, believe in yourself. You have the power to change your financial destiny. It starts with a single step, then another, and another. Before you know it, you'll be well on your way to achieving the financial freedom you deserve. We've covered a lot of ground together, from understanding your finances to building wealth through saving and investing. You've learned about the importance of budgeting, the power of compounding, and the dangers of debt. Now it's time to take this knowledge and turn it into action. Financial independence is not a privilege reserved for the wealthy or the lucky. It's a choice to take control of your financial well-being and create a life of abundance. It's about having the resources to pursue your passions and support your loved ones. This journey won't always be easy. There will be challenges and moments of doubt. But remember why you started. Remember the dreams you want to achieve and the legacy you want to leave behind. Never underestimate the power of small, consistent actions. Go forth and create the financial future you deserve. Embrace the journey, celebrate your progress, and never stop believing in your ability to achieve financial freedom. Your future self will thank you for it.